How to create a subdomain in Hostinger? Creating a subdomain in Hostinger is very easy. Let me show you step by step. First of all, go to your Hostinger dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on websites. Here you will see all your websites and domains. Now choose the domain where you want to create a subdomain. Click on the dashboard button in front of that domain. After opening the dashboard, go to the sidebar and click on domains. Then click on subdomains. Now you will see a box. Type your subdomain name here. Below you will see an option to create this custom folder. If you want a specific folder, check the box. If not, leave it unchecked. Now click on create. Within a few seconds, your subdomain will be created. To check, go back to websites in your Hostinger dashboard. Here you will see that your subdomain has been created. Now you can install WordPress on your subdomain just like you install it on your main domain. So that's it. This is how you can easily create a subdomain in Hostinger.